long as I can do anything that I want if I work hard enough. I can do anything that I choose if I could stay focused. I could live any way that I dream. All I gotta do is stay true to me. 'Cause I can do anything that I want if I got. Long as I feel this blood flow through my veins. Long as this blood flows through my veins. Long as I always grow from my mistakes. Long as I'm growing each day. Long as I know my people still in chains. Know I gotta find a way, even when I feel afraid. I could move mountains with my bare hands if I just knew how powerful I was. I could conquer all my fears and even make my ego disappear and find a way to spread peace and love inside of me. I know there's freedom, so I keep my spirits high. Ancestors by my side, I know my faith will carry me. Ooh. Long as I feel this blood flow through my veins. Long as this blood flows through my veins. Long as I always grow from my mistakes. Long as I'm growing. Long as I know my people still in chains. Know I gotta find a way. Oh. Even when I feel afraid, I could do